Whatever distance you traveled, iron transport systems brought you to Merthyr Tydfil. Iron was the backbone of the Industrial Revolution, which started in Britain and is still spreading. And for almost a century, Merthyr Tydfil was the most important iron town on earth. Wherever you come from, you owe a debt to the extraordinary history of this town. Man has been making iron in small quantities for around 4,000 years. This is the site of a tiny furnace on the hillside above Merthyr. It was the kind of furnace that early man used, but this one is thought to date from Roman times.